Hi, and today we're looking at multiplying a fraction by a fraction, or reciprocal. So we kind of looked at this at the end of our last video, but it brings together multiplication and division. So typically I find it even easier when you start to explain to people what we're actually doing. So here, if we take a look at our coefficient, which is 2/5. So if 2/5, if we want the reciprocal is 1 over 2/5, which is equal to 5 over 2. So if you remember, the reciprocal just switches the places. Switches numerator and denominator values. Okay. So if you multiply it by that, then we'll be fine. So I'm going back over to here. So here I just am multiplying by 5 over 2. Right? I just switched it. So on this side we multiply by 5 over 2. So we know on our left side we'll just have x, and on our right we do 4 times 5 is 20 divided by 2, which is equal to 10. Okay, so looking at the next one, we have this negative 4/3. So negative 4/3 becomes negative 3/4. Okay, and notice how I kept the minus, because I know that a minus times a minus is going to be a positive, which is what we want. So if we do that with the sign included when we do this, then you'll find out that you get a positive value. So it takes care of everything together. So here, let's go, and I'm going to times by negative 3 over 4, and times by negative 3 over 4. So I will be left with x equals, and that'll be 15 over 4. Last one we'll look at for now is we have this 3 over 4. So 3 over 4, we take the reciprocal, right? We're swapping. So this is going to be 4 over 3. So here that means we times by 4 over 3 times by 4 over 3. This beginning mess is just going to be x as always, and then we have 9 times 4 is 36, divided by 2 times 3 is 6, so x equals 6.